Welcome back to E-commerce Pro Tips. In our last video, we explored how to create a buyer persona to better understand your ideal customers. Today, we're taking the next step in your e-commerce journey, how to choose the right products to sell online. This is one of the most important decisions you'll make as an e-commerce entrepreneur, so let's dive right in. Product research is the process of identifying which products are in demand, which have the potential for profitability, and which align with your target audience's needs. It's the foundation of a successful e-commerce business. Without thorough product research, you risk investing in items that won't sell or won't generate enough profit to sustain your business. Let's start by looking at the key qualities of a winning product. First, it should have high demand, something people are actively searching for and purchasing. Second, it should be profitable, meaning your selling price should allow for a healthy margin after expenses. Third, aim for products with low competition to make it easier to stand out in the market. Finally, a good product should be scalable, meaning you can easily increase sales volume as your business grows. Now let's talk about how to find these winning products. The first step is to explore current trends. Use tools like Google Trends, TikTok, or Pinterest to see what's currently popular. Next, use specialized e-commerce tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to find products with high demand and low competition. If you're dropshipping, platforms like Oberlo can also provide valuable insights. Additionally, study your competitors. Look at what they're selling, how they're marketing their products, and what gaps you can fill in the market. Once you've identified potential products, it's time to analyze the market. Ask yourself, do these products solve a problem or fulfill a need for your buyer persona? Do they match the preferences and behaviors of your target audience? Always keep your ideal customer in mind when evaluating product options. This ensures you're selling items that truly resonate with your audience. Finally, let's cover some common mistakes to avoid when choosing products. First, avoid highly saturated markets where it's hard to compete with established sellers. Second, be cautious of overly seasonal products, unless you're prepared to handle the off-season. Third, always test demand before committing to bulk inventory. This could mean running a small ad campaign or using pre-orders to gauge interest before fully investing. Choosing the right products to sell online can make or break your e-commerce business. By understanding demand, profitability, and your target audience, you'll set yourself up for success. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to E-commerce Pro Tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.